All right, guys, I got a good video for you today. To my right, I got my dad here, and to my left, I got Leonard. He is my brother-in-law. They remember one thing that happened on a video with Leonard. And what was that, Leonard?
The saddlebag dropped.
The saddlebag fell off in the middle of Washington, D.C. traffic.
Oh, yeah.
So in today's video, I have a product that's going to address the trouble that Leonard had in D.C. We have a solution for it. And we're also going to show you something that's going to go on my dad's bike, a new product from RickRack. We're going to do an install video today. Let's roll the intro and get started. All right, guys, so welcome back. Today's video, I told you I have a good product, a new product for you from RickRack. Now, Leonard, he has this 2011 Street Glide that he had a rack on the back, and he had some different saddlebags at the time, which he has these new stretch saddlebags that look really good on the bike. But his clip fell off and his saddlebag fell off in the middle of DC traffic. The rack that he had on the back, he had a roll bag and he had it attached by bungee cords. Now, a lot of people try to carry stuff on their motorcycle by using backpacks, but backpacks on a motorcycle, not a good idea. This is one of my roll bags that I had on my motorcycle when I went across country. When I went into the hotel room, I had to carry this. There was no convenient way to carry this when I'm carrying the helmet and other bags. I wanted something that was a little bit bigger so I could put more stuff in it. This bigger roll bag that had a zipper, it allowed me to carry more stuff, but when I put more stuff in it, it became more heavy. And the zipper broke on this one. And I got another one. Same issue. The zipper broke on this one. So everything that I was using to travel with on the motorcycle, it worked, but it wasn't a perfect solution. I wish I had a solution just like the luggage that I use when I'm traveling in my car. Something that would hold and secure everything that I need and have wheels on it, just like my suitcase. Suitcase here, wheels on the bottom. You can't put this suitcase on a motorcycle, it wouldn't work out well. New from RickRack, the top Dekk III roller bag. Has a ton of storage on the inside, and let me show you how big that is there. Feels really sturdy. You have the rain cover.
This top Dekk III roller bag, I like the fact that you can actually unzip it, pull a handle out, roll it into the hotel, the cabin, or wherever you stand. You don't have to carry it. And roll this in and carry your helmet in your other hand.
And one of the things with me, I have my camera bag, I have my helmet, and I'm trying to carry all the bags that I have in the saddle bag. This would definitely make it a whole lot better.
Yeah.
And after looking at it, I think a helmet would actually fit in here.
That's a definite plus, and you can secure your helmet without carrying it.
Yeah.
Because most of the tour packs, especially yours, don't hold a helmet.
No, not at all.
So it looked like it'll
look like it's well made.
Well made and hold up to the elements. Yeah. You got this compartments on the side. Maybe you want to stick your phone or your key or something like that in there without opening up the big part of it. Not hard to find stuff to drop down inside there. You know, you have to dig for things like that.
And it's definitely better than a bungee cord on the back of a rack. And it's definitely better than having a saddlebag fall off and have your belongings all across the road in Washington, D.C. But besides that, go ahead, Lynn.
You got the back here. You got another compartment there for more things. I mean,
oh, look at that. Oh, you even have a strap here. You have a strap
to carry it.
To carry it to make it easier. But why would you carry it, right?
And it connects right here. Look here.
Oh, yeah.
It connects right on the side there.
Okay, so you have these little D-rings right here.
D-rings.
And these little snaps here.
Snaps here, yeah.
But the best thing about it, let me just show them this real fast. The best thing about it is this, and we're going to go get a helmet to see if a helmet fits in here. Is this. Oh. Right here. So being able to walk into the hotel
and stand it up and stand up.
Yeah, stand it up, check in and do whatever.
Take a lot of extra weight off the saddlebags and overloading it.
Yeah.
Even though I upgraded my saddlebag to the 14 and new version.
It was kind of a forced upgrade, but yes, he upgraded his saddlebag.
So won't have to put as much weight in it, so it should keep it from overdoing it.
I'm gonna go get a helmet.
Okay, open it up. Comes with a rain cover to keep it dry. Got elastic on the side, around the bottom of it. Has the zipper on here to expand the rain cover along with the bag, because the bag extends as well. Comes with a lock with some keys so you can secure it. If you're away from your bike, you can secure it for that cross-country trip. We have somewhere to put some things to travel, and this would have been really helpful for me. Not saying it would have prevented me from losing my saddlebag, but I wouldn't have had much in them because I would have had everything inside here.
Here's a full-size helmet. full face, full-size helmet. And
set it in.
yeah, it does.
Oh yeah, look at it.
Yeah, go ahead and zip that up. And that is
around.
without it being expanded, right?
Without expanded.
Okay.
So you actually have
see that
room.
one more time. This is the wheel side right here. You have the handles right here. And now I would have my helmet, have room for my camera equipment and everything. Easy roll bag like that. Instead of trying to check into the hotel with helmet under one arm, bag thrown over here, another bag, then yeah, so this would be a whole lot simpler than that. Now I like my tour pack that I have on my motorcycle, but to be honest with you, the tour pack, you still have to have a bag inside the tour pack. This would serve as a tour pack, and it just keeps going, getting better because you take it right off the motorcycle and have everything with you. You don't have to transfer one thing to another. Now you can get tour pack bags, but I think, in my opinion, this might be a step above a tour pack bag.
I believe so, yes.
Because it has wheels on it.
It has wheels.
That's the big seller, the wheels.
And there's a whole more than a tour pack.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
definitely.
You
definitely.
Fit a helmet that fits in.
Yeah, the helmet.
Full face
And
helmet.
my tour pack won't fit a helmet.
Yes.
It's really easy. You just go up here, make sure it slides in right here, right like that. And that's how simple it is right there. Tightening the little brackets up. And you even got a little security lock right here. You put this through here like so, lock it up. And you're ready to go. And if it looks like a rainy day, get your cover out. You just put the cover on, it's really simple. Go all the way around and make sure it's tucked in good so you don't get no water. Put it down in the front. And you're all ready to go. All secured and everything will stay dry.
All right, so guys, that is the RickRack Top Dekk III roller bag installed on my dad's 2017 Ultra and on Leonard's motorcycle here, his Street Glide.
2011 Street Glide.
2011 Street Glide. And they make one for your motorcycle. So guys, if you'd like to check it out at rickrack.com. That's RICKRAK.com. Or check out RickRack at your next motorcycle rally. You can go to their website and check them out and see what event they'll be attending next. All right, guys, so we're gonna get the gliding, but you're gonna see these tour packs on a road trip coming real soon. Real soon, maybe sooner than you think. All right. So I want to thank you for watching. Make sure that you go to rickrack.com. That's RICKRAK.com, or check them out at your next motorcycle event to check out the new Top Dekk III roller bag for your motorcycle. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day. So in this box is the answer to all Leonard's luggage problems. New from RickRack. Ow! Hit me on my knee. Anyway, all right, let's try that again.